welcome back to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. I'm Amrita Raichand and I'm showing you some exciting and easy tiffin recipes. So today's recipe is yummy cheesy muffins, but guess what is in them? There's some quinoa, there's lots of zucchini, and children will never find out because we are going to camouflage it with the yumminess of cheese. So let's begin. Very easy recipes. I do understand that mothers are very busy. So to begin with, I have some boiled quinoa, now some grated yellow and green zucchini. Just mix them up well. Then I am going to add a pinch of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt, a little bit of pepper. Again, give it a little mix, a little toss. Now I am going to add some melted butter to this, some cream, and then I'm going to add some jalapenos. This is of course optional. Agastya likes a little bit of tanginess in his recipe, that's why I add it, but you can avoid it and you can add some chili flakes or just some mixed herbs if you like. Alright, now last couple of ingredients. I'm going to add some egg to bind all of this together. Now see how this egg brings the entire mixture together. And now last but not the least, the favorite ingredient of all children, some grated cheese. You can use cheese of your choice. Nice cheddar is also good, otherwise regular cheese is fine as well. Alright, so this entire mixture is now ready to go into the muffin tray. So now I am going to start filling these muffin cups that I have here. I like to use a tablespoon measure for this so that all the muffins are of the same size. Okay, so 2 tablespoons in 1 cup, and we'll fill up all the cups. For all those who don't eat eggs, you can, instead of the egg, take 1 tablespoon of besan and mix it with 2 tablespoons of water and use it as a substitute for eggs. So now these will go in for baking at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Alright, so here are my muffins. They have been nicely cooled. Now the good thing about this recipe is that you can actually make them a day prior and just flash it in the oven for a bit and serve it in the tiffin, right? And I am placing them in the tiffin. I've got some popcorn, some little fruit salad, some nuts to make it a complete meal when the child gets ready for the break. Well, you can take a break from me for the moment, but come back for more, because on Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, I'll keep having exciting, interesting, and most importantly, healthy and easy recipes for you. See you soon, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.